Auxilart delivers mechanistic digital twin solutions to both biopharma manufacturers and contract development organizations, establishing its core position in the industry. The company spun out from the University of Tokyo's Process Engineering Lab, bringing academic rigor to commercial applications. Unlike statistical models, mechanistic approaches embed fundamental physics and biology laws directly into their structure. The platform cuts experiments by 90%, needs 10 to 20 times less data, and dramatically speeds development cycles. Results remain transparent and explainable, models work reliably with sparse data, and support reaches manufacturers worldwide. Whether developing biologics, cell therapies, or chemical synthesis, all paths lead through faster, smarter drug development. The pharmaceutical industry is rapidly embracing digital simulation as a critical competitive tool. 84% of pharmaceutical executives say digital simulation will be critical by 2027. Mechanistic digital twins capture mass balances, kinetic rates, and process constraints to deliver high-precision simulations. Models built from real experiments at small scale extend seamlessly to full production. Digital twins require only a fraction of the data that black box algorithms demand, while staying robust when information is limited. Because they're grounded in first principles, mechanistic models produce outputs scientists can interpret and trust. Transparent models enable both regulatory acceptance and quality by design, making compliance straightforward. Boehringer Ingelheim, major Japanese pharmaceutical companies, and global manufacturers across therapeutic areas have adopted the platform. Auxilart follows a systematic workflow when implementing digital twin solutions for each client. The process flows from discovery through model building, virtual experiments, scale-up, and continuous improvement as new data emerges. Discovery begins by understanding your process, business objectives, and what data you already have. Model building captures mass balances, cell kinetics, and critical phenomena through well-designed experiments calibrated against your data. Once validated, the digital twin lets scientists test hundreds of conditions virtually, identify optimal windows, and predict which cell lines will succeed. Extending to larger scales means incorporating nutrient gradients, mixing effects, and mass transfer phenomena. Guidance on transfer timing and production scheduling improves facility utilization and cuts labor requirements. As you generate new data, the model refines itself to incorporate fresh insights. Minaris Advanced Therapies needed to scale mesenchymal stem cell production from planar cultures to three-dimensional microcarrier bioreactors. The challenge was scaling up mesenchymal stem cell production from two-dimensional planar cultures to three-dimensional microcarrier bioreactors. Auxilart built a two-dimensional model capturing mass balance and growth rate, then extended it to 3 dimensions with bead-to-bead transfer and mixing effects. Virtual screening predicted which cell lines would thrive in 3 dimensions, determined optimal transfer timing, and tested hundreds of parameter combinations. Results included 38% labor reduction, substantial experiment elimination, and 10 to 20 times less data requirement. Earlier decision-making enabled faster scale-up, de-risked the 3-dimensional process, and accelerated time to clinic. Digital twins create value across diverse applications throughout the pharmaceutical product lifecycle. For process scale-up, models predict parameters, optimize transfer timing, and reduce scale-related failures through seamless bench-to-production extension. Virtual screening evaluates hundreds of settings computationally, identifies the optimal operating window, and eliminates exhaustive physical trials. Understanding variability and designing for quality attributes strengthens regulatory submissions with mechanistic rationale. Up to 90% fewer experimental runs, 38% labor cuts, and return on investment in under 1 year. Accelerating development and scale-up reduces cost of goods and brings therapies to patients faster. Top contract development and manufacturing organizations generate $30 billion annually and increasingly adopt digital twins to remain competitive. Offering mechanistic modeling attracts originator clients, differentiates your services, and provides competitive edge in a high-value industry. Whether you're a principal scientist, development director, business manager, or chief technology officer, the platform helps you make better decisions with less data. Auxilart's mission and 3-pillar strategy aim to make mechanistic digital twins standard tools worldwide. The mission is to make mechanistic digital twins standard tools in drug development and manufacturing worldwide. 3 strategic pillars guide the company: democratized modeling, an integrated platform, and global expansion. Democratized modeling automates generation, reduces data requirements by 10 to 20 times, and makes high-fidelity twins accessible to teams of all sizes. The integrated platform unifies process modeling, virtual experimentation, and control while working seamlessly with existing process analytical technology systems. The platform brings together process modeling, virtual experimentation, advanced control, and data management for real-time optimization. From current clients like Boehringer Ingelheim, Auxilart is expanding internationally, building partnerships with contract manufacturers and big pharma, and integrating through industry working groups. Digital twin technology raises important considerations around regulatory compliance and environmental impact. Auxilart's transparent models and robust data provenance support compliance with existing quality frameworks. The platform aligns with GMP standards, GAMP guidelines, and ICH protocols for quality by design. The platform links process parameters to quality attributes, facilitating regulatory understanding and control. Digital twins reduce experiments, lower waste, and conserve resources, decreasing process mass intensity and environmental footprint. Mechanistic models identify green solvents and optimal conditions that minimize global warming potential while maintaining product quality. Several compelling reasons make Auxilart a strong partner for digital twin implementation. Developed by University of Tokyo researchers and deployed globally with major pharma clients, the science and track record are proven. Reduced experiments, labor, and time deliver positive margins within 12 months. Models need only 10 to 20 times less data than traditional artificial intelligence, ideal for early-stage programs or rare cell lines. Grounding in first principles makes models easy to explain and justify to regulatory agencies. Research and development, process development, manufacturing, quality, and business development teams all benefit from digital twins across the enterprise. Auxilart works side by side with clients to build skills, transfer knowledge, and integrate digital twins into daily practice. The pharmaceutical industry stands at a transformation point where digital twins will define competitive advantage. The future of manufacturing belongs to companies that translate knowledge into digital twins. Partnering with Auxilart accelerates development, reduces costs, delivers quality therapies faster, and strengthens your competitive position. Contract manufacturers, biopharma companies, research leaders, and investors are all invited to explore these solutions. Contact us at info@auxilart.com to schedule a consultation or request a pilot demonstration. Together, we can transform the way medicines are developed and manufactured.